Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the magical world of makeup with the MODA Mythical Full-Size Star Traveler 6-piece Unicorn Makeup Brush Set. Get ready to elevate your makeup game to legendary proportions. Feast your eyes on this enchanting set, featuring 6 essential brushes that promise to transform your makeup routine into a mystical experience. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's start with the essentials, shall we? This set includes a blush brush, complexion brush, domed shadow brush, crease brush, and an angle eyeliner brush. Whether you're sculpting those cheekbones or creating a mesmerizing eye look, these brushes have got you covered. Now, what sets these brushes apart from the rest? It's all about the premium quality and design inspired by unicorns. The handles are not only durable and waterproof but also feature a stunning ombre effect that will add a touch of magic to your makeup collection. But that's not all. These brushes are not only beautiful but also ethical. They're 100% vegan and cruelty-free, crafted with a proprietary synthetic filament blend that ensures optimal performance without any animal products. Plus, they're incredibly soft, making each makeup application a luxurious experience. And let's not forget about convenience. This set comes complete with a stylish pouch, perfect for storing your brushes at home or on the go. Whether you're traveling to a far-off land or simply touching up your makeup during the day, this pouch has got your back. So, to sum it up, the MODA Mythical Full-Size Star Traveler 6-piece Unicorn Makeup Brush Set is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. With its premium quality, stunning design, and ethical craftsmanship, it's sure to become the star of your beauty routine. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know which product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining bright.